A full-term human pregnancy lasts roughly 38 weeks. It's easy to look at that 9-month stretch and assume biology takes its time, methodically assembling a human being at a slow, even pace from start to finish. But on a 38-week timeline, human development tells a different story. The body's construction is a high-speed sprint, confined to the first 8 weeks. By week 8, the vast majority of systems are formed and functional. The remaining 30 weeks are mostly physical growth. This timeline subverts our standard understanding of pregnancy. Framing pregnancy as a long waiting period misses the central engineering feat, the rapid organization of a single cell into a complex, functioning organism in exactly 56 days. Human development begins at fertilization, the moment a male and female reproductive cell join to form a unique single-cell embryo. At the 24-hour mark, that single cell begins an immediate mathematical division. One cell splits into two, then four, multiplying rapidly into a complex cluster. By day 22, the first major engine comes online. The primitive heart begins to beat, and its structure already resembles the heart of a full-term newborn. At 4.5 weeks, the baby is enclosed in a fluid-filled sac. That early heart is now actively pumping vital nutrients through the entire developing body. If you watch the fluid dynamics of this early heart in slow motion, you can see how it changes color with every single beat as blood enters and leaves its chambers. This cardiovascular system must be active before the rest of the body even takes shape. A high-powered nutrient delivery system is the mandatory prerequisite for the biological sprint that follows. As the engine runs, the focus shifts to the electrical wiring. At the 6-week mark, the embryo's nervous system begins to activate. This chart maps the timeline of early neurological activity. At exactly 6 weeks and 2 days, medical instruments can detect and record measurable rhythmic brainwaves. This new neurological wiring produces immediate behavioral outputs. The embryo exhibits a sudden startle response and will physically turn away if its face is lightly touched. By week 7, structural development accelerates. The eyes develop rapidly, head and leg movements become frequent, and individual fingers emerge from flat hand plates. Simultaneously, the initial primitive heart has nearly completed its transition into a permanent four-chambered organ, maintaining a continuous rhythm with only brief rests between beats. These milestones mark the moment the blueprint moves beyond structural assembly. The organism is now wired to process and react to the world around it. This initial biological assembly line reaches its climax at the 56-day mark, or week 8. This chart plots the mathematical reality of this time frame. The original single cell has exponentially multiplied into exactly 1 billion cells. Those 1 billion cells have self-assembled into an estimated 4,000 distinct body parts, fully organized into a dozen complete biological systems. The complexity present at this 8-week deadline is vast. Parts of the brain now closely mimic a newborn's, and the body initiates breathing movements, despite a complete lack of air in the womb. Even at this early age, most babies already exhibit a measurable preference for using either their right or left hand. The essential architecture of human life is a hyper-condensed engineering marvel, completed in just 20% of the total gestation time. Following this construction phase, the remaining 30 weeks shift into a period of behavioral practice and system calibration. Between weeks 9 and 12, specific fine motor behaviors emerge. The baby begins yawning, stretching, swallowing, and sucking its thumb, even executing practice walking motions in the fluid. Final precision details lock into place during this window. Lips fully form, the tongue becomes active as the mouth opens and closes, and unique fingerprints begin to form. As the pregnancy progresses towards full term, the baby acquires advanced sensory skills. It establishes sleep and wake cycles, develops taste preferences, and learns to recognize its mother's voice. The womb is an active proving ground where a fully engineered human machine spends 30 weeks testing its systems for survival on the outside.